you're an affiliate marketer or you're a marketer, listen to me. There's something I call the no digging. You have heard of gold digging before. Now, this is no digging. No digging is you looking for 10 people every day to tell you no. So literally look for 10 people. That is your goal. I'm going to talk to 20 people. Out of these 20 people, I need 10 people to tell me no. Go out or take your phone and introduce your product to 10 new people every day and look for them to tell you no. Jump businesses. This is the skill I'm good at. Can you employ me? Can we work together? Let them tell you no. Let 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people tell you no. Then you have won. Do you know what that does? Now, what that does is that it plays a psychological trick on you. It makes you to get used to people telling you no, because this life we are supposed to get rejection and acceptance, and that is normal. That is normal. Not everybody is going to say yes to your product. Not every girl is going to say yes to you. Not every guy is going to say yes to you. So get used to it. Let it be normal in your head. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and follow for more.